We got the pro Steve Gucciardo. No way. Oh my gosh. With his deck profile of lineups. So let's just get into it. Oh, so first,
I don't know you want from me.
you just show us the deck. So we got the Tour Guide Sangin, Staple, Rabbits, Sharks. Yeah, the most original deck.
This is very original.
3 Rats.
Oh yeah, it's original.
I thought of it myself.
3 Magician, yeah he did.
I totally did. This is
a Hunter, 3 Maxi, and 2 Veil.
I know, right?
He texts the Hunter like nobody
Who plays this, right? No one plays this card.
He texts a lot of cards, including the Tour Guide right here. He texts that. It's pretty good tech. So I guess whatever he wants to do next. Okay.
Monsters are pretty stable.
Yeah, monsters. They're pretty stable.
Just like the spells and the traps and the extra deck and the side deck.
Traps are
staple trap.
Yeah, that was very different from
Phoenix Chains. The most expensive deck out besides a Rabbit, probably. Then double MSTs, 3 factories.
Not everyone plays this. I like it because it gets over laggy. And Thunder King.
Yeah, the heavy, the Dark Hole, Reborn, Staples. Oh, what are we gonna do next? There's so much options. Oh, we're going in the side deck. Triple against Rabbit, right?
Yep.
Double D-Priz. What's the D-Priz against?
TGs. Rabbit game. If I'm not going first, I play this. This I put in against Rabbit and TG's the same shit. Reaper goes in against Windup and Rabbit, actually. It's good against Windup. They try to loop and then attack. Third space.
I hate that card.
If I put these guys in, I put this in. Just because it's a lot of back row and I could get heavied and lose. So that's the purpose of this dollar.
Smart plan. That one to the almighty extra deck.
Excuse me.
So that's a Levier, Leviathan, Acid Golem, Zen Main, Roach.
Ow!
The 2 Utopia, 3 Zen Mixer.
That's a terrible card.
Ow, that
This is a bad card.
Definitely.
This card is very bad.
Why do you play 2 Utopia?
Utopia, you can OTK.
Ouchie, ow.
So you guys.
This card is very bad. I would not play it.
You hear
Just take
that?
it out. Just
You hear that?
Don't use it.
Alright guys, so this is Steven Gooch. You want to say any words after? How did you do this today?
We didn't play yet, but I'm gonna win.
I forgot.
Don't worry.
Bye.
Don't worry, I'll win. Strong Island all day.
Yep. Alright guys, peace YouTube.